When you think about a career in precision machining, what do you imagine? Precision machining is a $36 billion business where over 20,000 machine shops employ almost 500,000 machinists. Butler Tech can get you started for free. With the help of Butler Tech's precision machining program, you can succeed in a career in this booming industry.
Right now I'm standing here with Joseph and he is on a manual lathe working on his plumb bob. Everything has to be pretty much perfect. If it's not, then we might have to start over or just readjust as we keep going.
You'll get valuable hands-on experience using state-of-the-art, industry-standard equipment to design, create, and repair metal parts for tooling and manufacturing. Butler Tech's precision machining program has a 95% job placement rate. So, can you see yourself in a career in which you shape the world and culture around us? Well, discover precision machining at Butler Tech and pursue a career that's right for you.